We are going to learn the exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle property of a triangle states that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. In a triangle, we know that there are three internal angles. What is an exterior angle? When the side is extended to this here, when the adjacent side is extended, we form an exterior angle over here. Means there will be three exterior angles of a triangle. If this side is extended to this direction, then the exterior angle will be formed over here. If this side is extended to that, then you will form an exterior angle over here. The exterior angle is the sum of two opposite internal angles. Means this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of these two opposite internal angles. Let's cut it out and place this part of the angle and see whether the exterior angle has been covered or not. See, it shows that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite internal angles. Okay, if we take another side of exterior angle, the same process will be done, only the internal angles will be changed. If we want to find the exterior angle of this side, then the exterior angle of this will be equal to the sum of these two internal angles. It shows that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite internal angles. If we want to find the exterior angle of this side, then two internal angles will be this. For this exterior angle, the two internal opposite angles will be these two. So by this activity we can show that the exterior angle is the sum of two internal opposite angles.